Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Thai ebook before it's gone.
ทานอาหารที่มีประโยชน์ Eat healthy ทานอาหารที่มีประโยชน์ Eat healthy In general, Thai food is healthy. I mean, not every food is healthy, but most of them because there are a lot of vegetables and herbs used in Thai food. So, I mean, this is one way to keep you healthy. Eat Thai food. ลดน้ำหนัก lose weight ลดน้ำหนัก lose weight. Yeah, I think it's everyone's goal, including myself. It's always my all-time resolution, but it is hard to achieve. So actually, if you keep eating healthy food, then you will lose weight. ลดเหล้า drink less. ลดเหล้า drink less. Literally, it's not drink less, it's more of drink alcohol less. And if you drink less to keep yourself healthy, you should. ออกกำลังกายเป็นประจำ exercise regularly. ออกกำลังกายเป็นประจำ exercise regularly. I know that it's difficult to exercise regularly. I mean, if you study or you work, then it's very difficult to put yourself every day to exercise. However, in Thailand now, there's a trend to go for Thai boxing as a way to exercise. It's fun and I think it's cool because you will get to learn a new skill, which is Thai boxing. So yeah, you can try. ออมเงิน save money. ออมเงิน save money. Right now, I'm trying to save some money too. I used to write this as one of my resolutions, and it did not work out well. I think a more effective way to write a resolution about this is you state a specific amount of money that you want to save. For example, this year I'm going to save 50,000 baht. ปีนี้ฉันจะพยายามเก็บเงินให้ได้ 50,000 บาท So there's a goal, a specific goal that you can try to get to there. อ่านหนังสือมากขึ้นRead more. อ่านหนังสือมากขึ้น Read more. My favorite Thai author is Win Leowarin, and the reason is like his writing is very creative. I think his famous books are mostly short story. So I mean, if you are trying to learn Thai and you don't want to read a lot, you can try starting by reading his book because the story is pretty short and it's very interesting. เรียนรู้สิ่งใหม่ learn something new. เรียนรู้สิ่งใหม่ learn something new. Like what I said before, you can try to learn Thai boxing. Actually, Thai language is considered to be something new, right? I mean, if you just started learning this year. And what else? Thai cooking? Yeah, anything. เลิกบุหรี่ quit smoking. เลิกบุหรี่ quit smoking. Yeah, it's a good one. If you are still now smoking, just quit. เลิกบุหรี่It's better for you and for people around you. ใช้เวลากับครอบครัวมากขึ้น Spend more time with family. ใช้เวลากับครอบครัวมากขึ้น Spend more time with family. This is actually my plan as well. In Thailand, local Thai families usually live in a big family, more than 5 people, including parents, grandparents, the children, like everyone living together. However, nowadays, especially Bangkokians, things are getting busier and not many people live with their parents and they don't spend more time with their family because they are busy working or studying. So I think it's a good thing to try to give your time to your family เรียนภาษาไทยกับ thaipod101.com Study Thai with thaipod101.com เรียนภาษาไทยกับ thaipod101.com Study Thai with thaipod101.com At least this one you have already achieved because now you are learning with us การอ่านหนังสือเยอะๆโดยการอ่านหนังสือพิมพ์ช่วยให้ฉันจำคำศัพท์ได้ Reading as much as possible, especially the newspaper, helps me to remember words. True. I mean, but it doesn't have to be newspapers. For me, I love reading novels, so by starting from reading something that you like, it's a good way to learn the language and improve your reading skill. ฉันจำคำศัพท์ใหม่ๆโดยโยงกับเรื่องราวเกมหรือภาพยนตร์ I associate new words with stories, games, or movies. For example, the word ไกล or ใกล้ the pronunciation is the same but the intonation are different. So if you just read, you might not be able to remember how it will be used. But if you watch a movie and you see the real situation of how these words are used, then it will be easier for you to remember. ฉันพยายามคิดเป็นภาษาไทยเพื่อที่จะได้มีกระบวนการคิดเป็นภาษาไทยโดยธรรมชาติ I try to think in Thai so it becomes natural to my thought process. I found out that by thinking in English is faster when I want to speak or communicate with people and it's more natural, like you don't have to translate back and forth. Don't translate inside here, it won't work. ฉันพยายามพูดกับเจ้าของภาษาให้บ่อยที่สุดเท่าที่ทำได้ I speak as often as possible with native speakers. Not many people learn Thai, so if you try to speak Thai to Thai people, I think they are more willing to talk in Thai back to you because we just love people who want to learn our language. ฉันพยายามใช้คำใหม่ๆในประโยคง่ายๆเพื่อจะได้เรียนรู้ทั้งประโยคไม่ใช่แค่คำใดคำหนึ่ง I try to use the new word in a simple sentence, so I learn whole phrases, not just individual words. For example, what should I give an example on? ฉันรักสุนัขของฉัน I love my dog. Yeah, so love is not visual and you might not be able to remember that love in Thai is รัก by forming a sentence. Now you understand everything as a whole. ฉันพยายามใช้ภาษาที่เรียนอยู่เป็นประจำในชีวิตประจำวัน I try to use the language I'm learning routinely in the context of daily life. One way to help you use it regularly in a daily basis is having a boyfriend or girlfriend using that language. For example, if you're learning Thai, try to find Thai girlfriend, Thai boyfriend, then yeah, it helps. ฉันพูดคำศัพท์ออกมาดังๆเพื่อให้ตัวเองได้ยิน I say words out loud so that I can actually hear them. It helps with your pronunciation, intonation, speaking skill in general, so that when you read or say words or sentences out loud, you hear what has gone wrong with your speaking. So it's a good way to improve your speaking skill. ฉันฟังเพลงและจำเนื้อเพลง I listen to songs and memorize the lyrics. There are a lot of good Thai songs for you to listen. My recommendation would be from this singer called Stamp. I don't know if you have heard. You might try to search on YouTube at Stamp in English, like stamp on a letter. Yeah, Stamp and Thai singer. And I think his song is pretty cool. ฉันหมั่นฝึกฝนทุกวันโดยพูดกับคนในครอบครัวหรือสุนัขที่บ้านถึงแม้ทุกคนจะฟังไม่รู้เรื่องก็ตาม I am persistent in practicing every day by talking to my family or my dogs even though they don't understand me. Desperate to have to talk to a dog. But yeah, sometimes I talk to my dog as well. I guess it's normal. จำคำศัพท์โดยใช้ flashcard. Remembering words by using flashcards. I think it's pretty convenient because it's small and on train or on a bus you can just flip them over and remember words while you're traveling. มีความสุข happy. Happy words of course have to begin with happy. มีความสุข So are you happy? คุณมีความสุขไหม กระปรี้กระเปร่า energetic กระปรี้กระเปร่า energetic I know that it's difficult because you have รอเรือ which force you to click your tongue while you are speaking like that. If you can't just say กระปี้กระเป๋า it's not 100% grammatically correct but people still can be able to understand what you're saying กระปรี้กระเป๋า even I can see that I have some difficulty pronouncing this word ชอบ like ชอบ like ฉันชอบเรียนหนังสือ I like studying ตลก funny ตลก funny you're funny คุณเป็นคนตลก ตื่นเต้น excited ตื่นเต้น excited I am excited ฉันตื่นเต้น พอใจ satisfied พอใจ satisfied I'm satisfied with the result ฉันพอใจกับผลงานนี้ภูมิใจ proud ภูมิใจ proud I'm proud of you ฉันภูมิใจในตัวคุณ ยอดเยี่ยม great ยอดเยี่ยม great you can say just เยี่ยม รัก love รัก love The most popular sentence is of course I love you ฉันรักคุณ I love you guys สวย beautiful สวย beautiful It's a good way to compliment anyone However the tone is very important because if the tone is off it means different thing สวย is beautiful or pretty สวย means unfortunate so be careful of the tonation that you use อบอุ่น warm อบอุ่น warm you are a warm person คุณเป็นคนที่อบอุ่น However if you want to say that this place is warm in terms of temperature wise you don't say อบอุ่น you say อุ่น just the last word ที่ตรงนี้อุ่น this spot this place is warm มีความหวัง hopeful I'm hopeful that I'm going to pass tomorrow exam ฉันมีความหวังว่าพรุ่งนี้ฉันจะสอบผ่าน ใจดี kind ใจดี kind you are a kind person คุณเป็นคนใจดี มองโลกในแง่ดี optimistic มองโลกในแง่ดี optimistic I'm an optimistic person ฉันเป็นคนมองโลกในแง่ดี เป็นคนยิ้มง่าย easily to smile เป็นคนยิ้มง่าย easily to smile I don't think that you have an exact word in English if you smile often with anything this is a word that people will say it to you เธอเป็นคนยิ้มง่าย We are done with today's lesson. Please let us know if you have any question. Don't forget, as always, to subscribe our channel. Bye bye and be happy.